Look, man, I'm getting pretty bored of this fight myself. Are you getting bored? I'm getting really bored here. So, look, we could either do it this way. We could start moving on with our lives, have a good time, and never hear from each other ever again. On the other hand, I could get a road roller and crush you with it. I know you're frozen in time and all that, but doohickey, but I trust you to make the correct decision, even if you're not able to talk. I'm going to take your silence as an absolute no, which means that you want a road roller.
Oh, Jotaro, I'm so glad we could have reached a common agreement.
Here we go!